Okay, this recording is going to go over how to relink a picture as well as how to edit information in an invoice. So I actually did get a phone call from Maureen from Mint Interiors, and she gave me the perfect segue to correct. So we're going to use hers. So when you log into SweetFlow, you get taken to this main screen, and this blue box here is already highlighted in blue, and you want that. If it's not, for some reason, then, and it's white, then you can either highlight it with your cursor physically, or you can press tab and it automatically highlights it all. If not, you can just, put the cursor in the bag and backspace it. Anyway, you just need to make sure that you are able to insert this information, and you're going to search by first name. So I'm going to type in Mint Interior, or Mint, I'm not going to type in the interiors, and her information is going to automatically come up. So I'm also going to go into Dropbox, and I'm already in the orders folder. Here, her rep is Jim Winkles, and this is the order that I will be correcting. So after you've gotten your client, the person that you want, you're going to come over to orders. These are the orders that we have for the client in SweetFlow. Oops. And you're going to click on the blue box. And you're also going to find the corresponding order number for that what you want, and that's 584. And you're going to click on the menu screen icon, and that will take you to the order screen for this particular order. So I did change some information on this, that way I could show you how to adjust it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is I'm going to preview the work order, is what you normally look at, and I'm going to show you that the picture isn't linked. So it says it can't be found. So I'm going to show you how to adjust this. I also changed this height. It's supposed to be 20, and I changed it to 24. That way I can show you how to change it back to the correct height. She did call and tell me that the ship to was a 30 instead of 50. I had already changed that by accident, but this is the information that you would normally, this is what you would need to change. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is how to edit the description information. There is a little blue D right here, and what you're going to do is just click on it, and it's going to drop down the information menu. So you can just edit from here whatever you need to. So I'm going to change this back to 20 high. And then to edit, to relink the picture, you are going to click under product. It has this menu icon. You're going to click on that. And it's going to pop up this product detail. This is the standard coffee table number 9, which is the product number, the product ID linked to this order. And this is the information that it will automatically give me, and then I fill in the rest. So here you can see in this that the file can't be. This is where it would normally preview the picture for me. So the first thing you're going to do after you open that, you're going to come to Other. You're going to click on this tab. Then the next tab that you're going to click on is Additional Fields. And it's going to have this picture square. Sometimes it's white, but if you need to relink, it's going to say the file can't be found, and it's going to tell you what file isn't going to be able to be found. So I already told you that I tried to label this so you know what you're going to be looking for. If you're in the order, you already know, but sometimes it's always nice to be able to have a reference. So you're going to right-click anywhere in this little boxed off area, and then you're going to go down to Insert Picture, and it's going to generally come up with this box. So you're going to click on Desktop. And then mine says Stacy Coates because this is my personal laptop and it has my name. But yours will probably say User, but it will have this icon, and that will let you know that's what you need to click. So you're going to double click that, and it will take you to all of this, and it has Dropbox. So you can easily find your Dropbox through that method. You're going to double click that and then go to Orders. Our client is Jim Winkles. It's Mint Interiors, and this is the order we're looking for. and these are the pictures. Sometimes there's multiple. I generally just pick one. This one seemed to be the best one, so you're just going to double click it and it will automatically pull it in. If you went back to detail, you see the little icon here. So when you open this up, the product, it will show you the icon. It will show you here whether it will be seen or not. So to correct, just a quick review, after you come into an order, to correct the information, you click the blue D. And you can type whatever, mahogany, maybe she added some burl. Okay. And then you come to this screen icon, other, additional fields, and right click picture, and then insert the picture that you're supposed to be looking for. I will also say that this is automatically done, but this checkbox does need to be checked. This means that it stores a reference to a file, meaning it follows so it goes from user to Dropbox to orders to Jim Winkle's Mint Interiors specific order, and it looks for exactly this, rather than taking this actual file and putting it into SweetFlow. That makes it really, really, really slow and laggy because it's got to save all these different files. So this checkbox does need to be checked. After you finish this, you do need to save. It is really important for you to save this information. If you come to work order, it's already put in. See, the 24 is already changed to 20 and the picture was put back in. So you can just save this as a PDF. You can do Control+0 or come to Scripts and unlock the status bar and it will get us to the save PDF. So you're just going to save it. So Mint Interiors 300-584. I'm not sure how you label this, but this is how I would. Work order, and then you can send that. I don't know if you print it as well, but that's just how it's done. That's a pretty simple way to do it. If you have any questions, I'm probably in the other room, so come ask me.